English Vocabulary in Use Upper Intermediate kitobidan 47-unit. What your body does. Hozir sizlar bilan verbs connected with the mouth and breathing so'zlarni ko'rib chiqamiz. Ya'ni og'iz va nafas olishga aloqador bo'lgan fe'llar. Bular qaysilar? Yawn. Yawn bu esnash degani. Why are you yawning? Are you feeling sleepy? Nimaga esnayapsiz? Uyqusirayapsizmi? Sneeze. Aksa urmoq. Dust often makes me sneeze. Chang ko'pincha meni aksa urdiradi, aksirtiradi. Snore. Xurrak otmoq. He snored in his chair with his mouth wide open. U stulida og'zini katta ochgancha xurrak otardi. Cough. It was so smoky in the room that he couldn't stop coughing. Xona shunchalik tutunli ediki, u yo'talishdan o'zini tiyib tura olmadi. Sigh. She sighed with relief when she heard the plane had landed safely. Samolyot xavfsiz qo'nganini eshitgan paytda u xotirjamlik bilan tortdi. Sigh degani tortmoq, ya'ni deydi-ku, xuddi o'sha narsa. Be out of breath. Nafas qaytmoq. I ran for the bus and now I'm out of breath. Men avtobusga yugurdim va hozir nafasim qaytyapti. Take a deep breath. Chuqur nafas olmoq. He took a deep breath and jumped into the water. U chuqur nafas oldi va suvga sakradi. Hold your breath. Nafasni tutib turmoq. How long can you hold your breath underwater? Suv ostida nafasingizni qanchalik ko'p tutib tura olasiz?